How are you, everyone? I'm Kwanghyun-an, the president of Korea Smart Manufacturing Office, COSMO. First of all, I'm truly happy to participate in the IMX meeting today, although it is regrettable that I cannot meet the person with representatives of IMX member countries this year. I will look forward to being able to do it together next year. And I would like to deeply thank the IMX and Sesame official for their effort to hold the event. Today, I will introduce the progress of Manufacturing X in Korea. The presentation will focus on smart manufacturing innovation policies and manufacturing data standardization. The first is the Smart Manufacturing Innovation Ecosystem Advancement Policy. The Korea government has been supporting the construction of smart factories since 2014 to strengthen the competitiveness of small and medium-sized manufacturing industries, the basis of the Korean economy, and laying the foundation for digital transformation of manufacturing sites. Although the foundation for digital transformation has been expanded through the distribution policy, Korea's smart manufacturing industry has a low level of technical compared to its high growth potential and lacks systematic support from the government. Accordingly, the Ministry of SMEs and Startups announced on the October 2nd a plan to promote the exciting smart factory supply policy and the smart manufacturing industry promotion policy in the balanced way to advance the smart manufacturing innovation ecosystem. We will select in intensively support 7 strategic areas of the smart manufacturing industry that need to fostered quickly, and introduce a smart manufacturing company designation system to promote systematic management of excellent companies. In addition, we plan to foster global specialized companies by preparing a step-by-step customized support system from startups to overseas expansion through capacity building, focusing on the AI field. We will expand the smart manufacturing innovation infrastructure led by the private sector and companies, such as standardization, manufacturing data, and promoting the use of artificial intelligence. The second is standardization of manufacturing data in Korea. To spread manufacturing data standards, the Korean government is developing a reference model for 5 equipment that has high utilization and a ripple effect at the site of small and medium-sized manufacturing companies. Reference models will include equipment structure, data analysis, AAS modeling, and how to use AAS Package Explorer to help small business easily apply AAS in the field. As such, based on the reference model, $6 million has been invested in the autonomous factory construction support project since this year to introduce manufacturing data standards at the sites of 20 companies. Depending on the effect and the outcome of the introduction, We also plan to expand it to other government projects, such as digital collaboration factories and general smart factories. Cosmo hopes to spread manufacturing data standards by collaborating with IMX member countries based on the result of development of reference models and the use case for introducing manufacturing data standards obtained through government support project. In detail, we are considering establishment and internal AAS repository, and we would like to push forward the details related to this through future discussions. In particular, regarding the standardization of manufacturing data among the contents of the policy, standardization is being carried out based on the AAS designated as an international standard and the active cooperation from IMX member states is required. With this, I will conclude the presentation on the major progress related to manufacturing acts in Korea. Based on this IMX meeting, we ask for close communication with cooperation with Cosmo for the win-win among the member countries. Once again, I'd like to thank representatives of IMX member countries and the Sesame officials for the opportunity to present today. Then I'll see you again next meeting. Thank you very much.